Hi everyone, welcome to another property showcase from PropertyCozy.com. I am Tavia and I will be your property guide for today. Please remember to like, share, subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified when a new property is available. Let's get into it. We have here for sale a 8-bedroom, 4-bathroom house located in Douglas Drive, New Denbigh, Clarendon. This is amazing investment property which sits only 50 minutes from Maypen and only 10 minutes from the A2 South Coast Highway. The land area of this house is 8,711 square feet or approximately 0.19 acres of land. The property is divided into 4 separate apartments, each with 2 bedrooms, bathroom and living quarters and balcony. Each apartment has their own light and water meter. There are 4 500-gallon water tanks and there are 2 main gates to enter, which also provides adequate parking. Trust me when I say this amazing listing won't be available for too long. Other features of this house includes ceramic and flooring, garden area, ceiling fans, grilled, fully fenced, and easy access to amenities. The current price of this house is Jamaican 41.9 million or US $267,700. Now, let's take a quick look at this house and please leave a comment and let us know your thoughts. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Also, for more details on this property, please visit the description area below. I am Tavia and I was your property guide for today. Until next time, put God first and keep safe.